Shares of American Airlines are slipping in Friday trading after the airline reported mixed quarterly results. American reported adjusted earnings of $2.62 a diluted share, a 32% year-over-year increase, beating analyst estimates by 2 cents, according to Thomson Reuters. Revenue, however, fell by 4.7% to $10.8 billion, narrowly missing expectations. The company said its revenue was negatively impacted by its cargo operations, which fell 12.3%, and its mainline passenger business, where passenger revenue per seat mile fell 6.9% from a year ago. Cost per available seat mile fell 12.8%. American's President Scott Kirby said on a conference call that passenger unit revenue will likely keep falling in the near term as capacity exceeds demand in some areas, the strong U.S. dollar weighs on overseas travelers' spending power, and as some economies remain weak. Chairman and CEO Doug Parker said in a statement, "These results are especially remarkable considering the significant and successful work underway to integrate two airlines." American and U.S. Airways will begin operating as one airline for customers with a single reservation system beginning October 17th. In New York, I'm Brittany Humar for The Street.